I used to have a manager that made me understand why factories are sometimes called plants. This guy branched off so many wires that the whole network looked like the giant lemon tree my neighbors have never pruned. And with Industry 4.0, factories everywhere are going to have more branches. But at least the 3M one-piece branch link connector makes branching off the main network wire easy and reliable. They feature a single action IDC termination, providing reliable connectivity without the need for special tools. Using 3M's connectors for T and H branching, adding sensors and field network wires can be done with reduced wire usage and overall cost. The connectors are rated for up to 32 volts and 3 amps, and they can fit wires from 20 to 16 gauge. They can be used between -20 degrees Celsius and +85 degrees Celsius depending on the current level. They're also available in a splash-proof version, which provides IPX4 protection for applications with exposure to condensation or splashing from wet operations.